Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect investment this 2026? For your retirement, rest house or weekend home, or even for your future business like Airbnb? Search no more because we've got the best offer for you. Nandito ako ngayon sa Amadeus Farm Hill located here at Minantok, Amadeo, Cavite. This property is very accessible dahil along Barangay Road, minutes away lang from school, 15 minutes away from Silang and Tagaytay, Cavite, 18 minutes away from hospital, and minutes away lang from different commercial establishments like Hacienda Outlet Mall. Hindi binabaha because of its upland terrain at higit sa lahat cold climate. Tagaytay feels. And we have good news, you can reserve your slot now for only 20,000 pesos, 3 years installment pa. 5,500 for inner lot, lalagyan ng concrete road, drainage system, at magpo-provide ng electricity and water sources. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Reserve your slot now because this is the perfect choice of investment para sa'yo. I'm Relcy Marte, your licensed broker and investment partner.